Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another interesting lesson from our moral science book. Lesson number 11, Personal space. Personal space means it's a distance between one person to other person internally and externally also. Everybody needs some alone time or personal space every now and then, and to respect the personal space of self and others. Everyone have their own right to have their privacy and that they decide who enters their personal space. Okay, so let's learn about personal space. In this lesson, this is my space, that is yours. Animals know about their personal space all too well. A dog will growl at you if you invade its space. It may even bite you in a worst case scenario. Other animals to defend the area that surrounds them as their territory. So, generally, the animals maintain their privacy and their personal space. So, what is personal space all about? Let's imagine a virtual bubble around us in order to define it. So, you need to think a small balloon around you. There is enough space for us to move about, lie down, sit or dance. We are all alone in this bubble and we like it so. So, we enjoy the presence of only us. So, it is called the personal space. In our personal space, we can be with ourselves, do what we like without giving any explanations to anyone. This space keeps us from stumbling into another's and stepping on each other's toes and from being an irritation to the other person. It may also be called as extension of our bodies, which is strictly ours. Many times, though this space gets invaded by other enthusiastic people, they do not consider that thought simply because they are not aware of this idea. They don't mind intruding. Neither they do a problem if you invade their space. But this should not be so. Each of us has moments when we want to be with ourselves. In such moments, too much closeness becomes annoying, sometimes even threatening. This may make us forget how to act naturally. We may avoid eye contact or move in a strange manner. Hence, it is important to know that comfortable distance to be maintained when we are near someone. When we do an exercise, drill or learn to dance, we remain at an arm length from each other. We do this to avoid any collision with the other person. In other words, we create a personal space in which we are comfortable and are able to function without being an hindrance to the others. So everyone should maintain 1 arm distance or 1 feet distance according to your relationship. Let's consider some attributes of personal space to know how it looks like, feels like and sounds like. See, I am being respected just as I am respecting others, and I am comfortable, I am safe, secure and happy. And personal space looks like I'm at peace with myself, not at all crowded, a safe house. And it sounds like kind, polite, and friendly too. So, when we are talking to any person, we should maintain 1 arm distance to maintain just the personal space between you and them. And when we sit near to some people, we need to maintain some personal space to them and us also. So, giving space makes people happy and yourself happy, and you can be very happy and you can do it also. Therefore, personal space can be defined as the space in which you can be yourself without being disturbed. It is the alone time during which you can bond with yourself and try to understand your feelings and thought process. You may allow others to enter it at your discretion. And all of us deserve such space, and for that we have to respect the space of others also, if we want them to respect ours. Now we will do the worksheet part. Okay, answer the following questions briefly. First one, why do animals defend their personal space? Answer, animal feels irritated and uncomfortable if the other animals enters their personal space, so they always defend their personal space. Second question, what does the imaginary bubble do around us? This imaginary bubble gives us a personal space where we can be with ourselves, do what we like without giving any explanation to anybody. Third question, how does our personal space help us? The personal space keeps us from stumbling into one another, from stepping on each other's toes, and from being an irritation to other persons. Fourth question: what can happen if someone comes too close? In such moments, too much closeness becomes annoying, sometimes even threatening also. Fifth question: what is the distance that people have to maintain when doing an exercise drill? So, the people need to maintain one arm distance when they are doing an exercise drill. Sixth question: what are the attributes of personal space? The attributes of personal space are feel like, looks like, and sounds like I am being respectful just as I am respecting others. I am at space with myself and it is very kind, polite, and friendly to all others, and it is not all crowded, and living in a safe house, and it is very comfortable and safe and secured, and makes one happy and others also happy. So children, I hope that you all finish this worksheet. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.